Welcome to the Elon Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is October 5th, 2024. We'll be diving into the latest stories surrounding Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink. Remember, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. The content here reflects public media news items and does not represent our opinions. Elon Musk has stirred controversy with his claims about the impact of subsidizing Starlink in the wake of Hurricane Helene. He suggested that if the FCC had approved nearly $1 billion in subsidies, Starlink could have provided 20,000 satellite kits to the devastated areas in Florida and the Carolinas. Musk accused the FCC of causing harm by not awarding the funds, stating that lawfare costs lives. However, critics argue that the FCC's decision was based on concerns about Starlink's reliability, especially with its congestion issues. The FCC had denied funding to Starlink and others for not meeting program requirements. Even if approved, the service rollout wouldn't have started until 2025, with no guarantee of affordability or equipment survival during the storm. Consumer advocates suggest taxpayer money should go towards more reliable broadband options like fiber or 5G. The FCC remains committed to ensuring public funds are allocated to compliant entities providing long-term benefits. While Musk claimed to have sent some Starlink terminals to the region, there's been no confirmation of their delivery. This situation highlights the complexities of disaster management and corporate interests in public funding. In legal news, Cards Against Humanity, LLC, has filed a lawsuit against SpaceX in Texas, seeking up to $15 million in damages and a permanent injunction. The lawsuit alleges SpaceX's unauthorized use and occupation of CH's property, purchased in 2017, to oppose a border wall. CH claims SpaceX disregarded its property rights, causing damage and disruption. The petition outlines SpaceX's construction activities on the land without permission, harming the property and KH's reputation. The lawsuit includes claims of trespass, nuisance, unjust enrichment, and tortious interference. CH seeks actual and exemplary damages, attorney's fees, and a jury trial. This case underscores tensions between large corporations and smaller entities over property rights and community impact. A U.S. district judge has blocked California's deepfake law, AB 2839, citing First Amendment rights. The law aimed to prevent deceptive AI-generated content from influencing elections. It was challenged by Christopher Coles, known as Mr. Reagan, who argued it targeted his satirical content. Judge John Mendez agreed, stating the law was vague and infringed on free speech. He emphasized promoting more speech rather than restricting it. The law's broad definitions could lead to civil liability for content deemed harmful to a candidate's prospects. While acknowledging the state's interest in election integrity, Mendez asserted existing laws like defamation could address concerns without infringing on free speech. Elon Musk celebrated the ruling as a victory for free speech. The decision sets a precedent for regulating AI-generated content and political satire. Mendez concluded that parody and satire are essential to democratic debate and should be protected under the First Amendment. That's all for today's episode of the Elon Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories covered today. Join us next time for more updates on Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink. Until then, stay informed and stay curious.